Hi there! These are the all-new Realme Buds T500 Pro, the Terminator from the Realme Buds series. Why do I say that? Because it crushes everything in its way. Of course, there are better earbuds in the market, but this T series offers a perfect blend of premium features along with unparalleled value for money. This time, it comes with a more compact case with a vegan-like leather finish, plus a lanyard that adds beauty and convenience. Absolutely love it. Now, I've been using these for almost a week. Let me share everything in detail so you can ultimately decide if you should buy the T500 Pros or not. Let's start with a quick unboxing. So here is the retail packaging. You have the image of the earbuds right here, LHDC codec support. Some key features are mentioned on both the sides. Towards the back, you have the manufacturing details. This is the lemon cola color and the MRP is 4,299. But I believe you can get this for a lot lesser. So without further ado, let's quickly open it up. So right on the top, we have the earbuds themselves, paperwork that no one reads, true extra pair of ear tips of different sizes, glad they're color coordinated, and finally a really good quality lanyard. Yellow color coordinated with the earbuds. I think this is a good addition. Of course, keep in mind that it doesn't include a charging cable, but I guess that's fine. Alright, let's have a closer look at it. Wow, that looks so eye-catchy. Now this is the lemon cola color, and first thing is that it's so compact, easily fits in your palm. Now Realme claims this is 21% smaller than the Apple AirPods Pro 3, which is really good because it's compact and looks premium. It also comes with this nice vegan-like leather texture to it, very soft to touch, feels so premium. You can spot the Realme branding here, LED light at the bottom, USB-C port at the back to charge the case, and of course holes here to fit the lanyard. Wow, I'm really liking these earbuds. They look so premium and eye-catchy. Let's open it up and see. Wow, so you can open the hinge with one hand. Very nice, solid hinge, clicky. Let's remove the earbuds and have a closer look. So here are the earbuds themselves. They come with the buds and a stem design. Very nice, premium looking. You can spot a couple of microphones on them, which are going to assist you for phone calls and noise cancellation. Each earbud weighs just 4.5 grams, which is really light, comfortable to be worn for long hours. Overall, the build quality seems really good. Now, let's get some of the specs out of the way. So when it comes to codec support, we get HPC and AC codec support along with LHDC codec, which is very similar to LDAC. Both are low latency audio codecs for better audio fidelity. We'll talk about the experience later. Then Google Fast Pairing is available. Simply open the lid. But if you don't see a pairing pop up, just remove the earbuds and tap it on the top for 5 seconds. This will enter manual pairing mode. You'll see the pairing pop up, click to pair. There you go. Once done, download the Realme Link app on your phone and the T500 Pro should show up. There you go, ready to use. More on the app later. Let's talk about the fit and comfort. Well, as you can see, I'm currently wearing both and they snug in really nicely, blocking most of the passive sound. Just make sure you wear the right size of ear tip for that perfect fit. Also, run the fit test from the app. It will analyze by running some music in the background and will give you the results. There you go, perfect fit. Time to do the ritual head shake test. I mean, checkar aa jayenge, but clearly these are not going to fall off. They get a really good grip. Alright, let's talk about the sound. Well, first you need to know that these come with the premium 12.4mm titanium plated dynamic drivers that provide jaw-dropping audio. Very bassy, yet maintaining good clarity. Also remember that the experience would depend upon the sound profile you choose from the app, starting with the original sound. Now this is a very flat equalizer. It provides very balanced audio. You can feel the bass, but it doesn't overpower the track. Also, instrument separation here is very impressive. Then there's serenade mode, ideal while listening to jazz or instrumental music. Basically for those who don't want too much of bass, this is the one to go for. Then my favorite, clear bass. As the name says, it's slightly bassy, but it doesn't muffle the vocals and music. It's a perfect blend for me. The audio sounds rich and still very crisp. Yes, for bass fans, there is bass boost. Of course, it's super bassy where you can feel that deep punch. But I felt slight distortion at high volume and the clarity was lost to some extent. But I'll still say bass heads might still like it. Of course, you can also custom set the equalizer as per your preference. Then there's also dynamic audio where you can fine tune the audio even further. It does make a difference, but if you're confused, it's best left untouched. Alright, let's talk about the fidelity with LHDC support. This you can toggle on from the app. It provides higher sampling rate and faster transfer speeds, improving audio quality. But it's not very drastic. It's something you can check out but use only if necessary. Also remember, turning this on will drastically impact your battery life. Then there's also spatial audio, and you can toggle this on from the app. It's a technology that creates a three-dimensional sound field. It's like the sound is coming from different directions and distances. Again, this is so much fun, but not something you can keep using all the time. Worth giving it a shot. Alright, let's talk about ANC. So Realme claims 50 decibels adaptive noise cancellation. First, we turned on ANC from the app. By default, it is set to smart, where it increases or decreases the ANC as per the sound around you. Surely you can manually set the level of ANC to max, moderate, or even mild. Now, how's the experience? Well, the earbuds cancel out almost 80 to 90% of the white noise, especially when you're in a crowded space like a mall or a street. Just enjoy crystal clear music without any disturbance from the outside world. There was a slight vacuum effect when the ANC is set to max, which personally I'm not a fan of, so you can adjust the ANC manually. Overall, let's say the ANC on the T500 Pros is very reliable. Then you can also enable transparency mode. Now here, you will be more aware of your surroundings. You can also turn on enhanced voice, so you can kind of have a conversation while still wearing the earbuds. Works flawlessly. Then we also tested these for phone calls. Time for a quick demo. The audio that you're hearing right now is being recorded from the mics of the Realme Buds T500 Pro. This is how you would sound to the other person when on a phone call. Each earbud comes with 3 microphones, which helps cancel out all the external sound, making it ideal for phone calls indoors as well as outdoors. However, you guys are the best judge. Write down in the comments and share your feedback with us. Then we also get tap gestures to control the audio, change tracks, pause play the music, and even change the volume. Yes, you can custom set each gesture of each earbud separately from the companion app. Always handy. Then these earbuds also come with triple device connectivity support, which you can toggle on from the app. So technically you can connect 3 phones at the same time, or your laptop, tablet, and even your smartphone all together. I think this is so cool. When it comes to latency, we turned on game mode from the app. It drastically reduces latency and you can easily play games without any audio delay. Trust me, I actually didn't notice any lag. Similarly, while watching movies, no delay was noticed at all. Perfect lip sync, and I can easily recommend these earphones to watch movies on those long flights. Alright, coming to the battery. So, we don't have the exact size of the battery, but Realme claims 13 hours of music playback on a single charge without ANC and 8 hours with ANC. Total with the case, you'll get 56 hours without ANC and 33 hours with ANC. Plus, it also supports fast charge. 10 minutes of charge will provide 10 hours of music playback. Yes, in real world, those numbers will be slightly lesser, but still I'll say that's all you're gonna need. Alright, final thoughts. So, if you're looking for earbuds that offer impressive sound, reliable ANC, a very compact case, along with stellar battery life, then these Realme Buds T500 Pro are probably your best shot. We don't have the price at the time of making this video, but my best guess is this should be between 2,500 and 3,500. Would it be a killer deal if it's under 3,000? The Buds T500 Pro are gonna be available in 3 colors, all of which have their own identity. I'll share the price, availability details, and the purchase links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one or even 2, you can definitely check this one out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.